Is it possible to make 9,000 using these 4 indicators? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner. For the first indicator, I'm going to choose oscillator. Okay, the settings is going to be for the top here. Okay, then I'm gonna change the SMA period also. Then I'm gonna change the top to white. I'm gonna keep the red as the same. For the second indicator, I'm gonna use moving average. The settings for moving average is 100. I'm gonna use EMA, plus I'm gonna thicken the lines. Okay, and I'm gonna change the color. Let me use 2 pixels instead. Yeah, that's better. Beautiful. For the third indicator, it's gonna be parabolic SAR. For the color, I'm gonna choose this, thicken the lines, and save. For the fourth and final indicator, it's gonna be a rune indicator right here. Beautiful. For the settings, it's gonna be 10. I'm gonna keep the top color the same. I'm gonna change the bottom color. This is the settings for the indicator. Let's find some beautiful trades today. Based on everything I'm seeing here, it crosses a very long time, meaning the sellers were strong right here. And then I saw that it was below the moving average, also the parabolic. Okay, when I see all of these settings indicating the same direction, guys, I know that this trade is very sure. Okay, so let's wait for this to close, see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one, guys. And the reason why I took this, I saw that the price is below the moving average. We are also below the parabolic SAR, which is my favorite parabolic. And I saw that the rune indicator is pointing downwards also. Okay, as you can see right here, guys, and this oscillator candle, it's pushing down even further. It's showing me some momentum is going on right here, because if you pay attention very clearly, there's a lot of red bars here. So common sense tells you that something is going on here. The sellers are in control. So you have to pay attention to what the indicators are trying to tell you, and based on what it tells you, you combine it with other indicators to give you effective accuracy. Okay, and also you need to understand the trend. But I'm taking this for 2,000, guys. As you can see, we have a signal from our indicator right here, and also this indicator, right? You see that it crosses. The main thing, we need to be above our line, our moving average line, if we're going to take a buy trade, right? And we need to be below if we're going to take a sell trade. As you see right here, guys, we are above when we took the trade, so that means we are doing the right thing. If we lose this trade, that's it. Once you're doing the right thing consistently, guys, that's how you become profitable. Okay, so once I'm doing the right thing, I'm not worried about my trade. I just keep trading regardless if it's a win or a lose. All right. Okay, so I can see that the price stops right above my line, and that's looking very promising. Beautiful. I'm gonna take trade here regardless, because I see that the price created a engulfing candle right here, and it continues to move in the upper direction, and we freshly crossed the line. So this means the sellers are not like oversold or anything, is what I'm saying. Like they are literally fresh in the area and they are showing strength. And when they are fresh, it means that they are not exhausted, right? Buyers are not exhausted. So this means buyers can potentially continue going higher. And if you combine rally base rally with this, you can see right here clearly. And I'm adding everything I know, guys. The thing about me, guys, why my win rate is very high, because I know a lot of stuff and I combine everything. Okay, I combine everything I know when I'm trading, so I can have the best win rate. Okay, guys, I saw this opportunity here based on experience. I see the rally base rally. I see the rally base rally formed about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this is super strong. Plus the indicator right here is cross. Okay, and we have a downward candle going down. I'm not paying attention to this candle because it has a gap right here. So this means it's pretty weak in to certain degrees, right? So I'm not worried about that. And we are below the line and we are below parabolic SAR. Once I combine all these reasons, guys, I then take my trade. If one of these reasons is not aligned, I do not take trade, guys. And this is very crucial. You have to be patient in the market. Taking this, guys, I'm going very heavy right here. Okay, as you guys can see right here, the Arun has been crossed and the accelerator escalator is giving me an up bar, but the accelerator escalator is not one of the main indication right here, guys. The main indication here is when we cross the moving average, right? The 100 period moving average, and the parabolic SAR is below the candle or above the candle, depending on the direction we are trying to go in, right? Those are the things I pay attention to mostly. And the Arun, the accelerator escalator, it just shows me the momentum in the market, which I need to know, because I need to know how strong the price is going in one direction. Okay, so let's wait for this to close. Okay, I'm taking this. As you guys see right here, we have crossed and the Arun, okay, pointing down. Plus we saw a red bar right here and the accelerator escalator, whatever you want to name. And then we broke the moving average coming down with a strong candle, guys. You see how big this candle is, guys? This shows us that the movement is very strong also. See what I'm saying? But this is common sense too, you know, like if you really think about it. And we are below the parabolic SAR, which is, I don't know, parabolic SAR is just my favorite, you know. And yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this trade to close, guys. This trade looks very promising and the market looks very nice. We broke a range, so the price will try to go down. Remember, guys, I combine everything I know when I'm trading. That's how I trade personally. Beautiful. So this will be the end of my session, guys. If you're interested in the mentorship, you can use the link in the description to apply for your mentorship. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.